Earlier, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky reportedly asked Donald Trump for Tomahawk missiles that would allow him to hit targets in Moscow. Washington does not oppose Kyiv striking inside Russian territory. This was stated by the U.S. President's Special Representative for Ukraine, Keith Kellogg, in an interview with Fox News. According to Kellogg, Ukraine has the ability to strike inside. He was responding to a question about how Donald Trump and the White House might react to Kyiv's strikes inside Russia. Kellogg added that Kyiv has no restricted areas for targets in Russia. Earlier, it was said that Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, in a closed meeting with Donald Trump in New York, asked for Tomahawk missiles that would allow hitting targets in Moscow.